Welcome to the subject STQA, Software Testing and Quality Assurance. Here are some of the MCQs on unit testing, that is the unit number 2. So let's begin with the questions. First question is unit testing. Unit testing is done by the one who writes the code. So the answer is developer. Developer writes the code. So unit testing is done by the developer. Second, static analysis can be best described as it is the analysis of the program code. So the answer is the analysis of the program code. Next, in static unit testing, a review meeting is chaired by. In static unit testing, the review meeting is chaired by the moderator. The moderator is a trained individual who guides the pace of the review process and selects the reviewers and schedules the review meetings. He is the one who suggests that the moderator by the member of the group and preserves the objective of the meeting. So answer is moderator. Okay, next, internal diagnostic tool. Internal diagnostic tool into the units is known as the instrumentation code. Answer is instrumentation code. Next, whenever the external behavior of a system does not conform to that prescribed in the system specification, it is the failure, as an adjust cause of an error is fault. So whenever the external behavior of a system does not conform to the prescribed specification, it is the failure. So answer is failure is said to occur. Next, these tools are used to replace the real software and hardware that are currently not available. So which are the tools? Like simulators and emulators we use to replace the real software. So that's why the answer is simulator and emulator. Answer is both. C is the answer. Next is, this assertion passes if the expected and the actual objects are equal according to the equals methods. Okay, in JUnit framework, the assertion that was the class provided with some of the methods, and these methods were used to make the assertions about the state of the objects created and manipulated while testing. So these are the assert functions, assert methods. So assert equal, as it is asking about the which will be expected and the actual objects are equal, it will be searching for the equal. So search for the similar option. It is the first and second, that assert equal. So you can cancel with the third and the fourth is also assert equal. You can cancel the third. Now 3, as it is saying object, so see in function with what it is fetching, what it is calling object, and then second is the integer value, and then it is the double value. So your answer will be the first, that is the assert equal, object expected and object actual. Okay, next, a process involving induction and deduction is called. A process involving induction and deduction, the answer is cause elimination. As you all know, the cause elimination, it is the approach which it is like a process which involves induction and deduction, while backtracking, it is approach where the programmer starts at a point in the code, and where a failure occurs or it observes any kind of failure, it traces back to the execution of the point. So backtracking can't be the answer. So third, it is the brute force. So when you're talking about a brute force, it is like print statements are scattered throughout the source code. So brute force is one kind of an attack for noticing where the error occurs, and for that they attach the print statements over the source code. So also it is not involving any kind of induction and deduction. So the process which involves induction and deduction, it is the cause elimination. Answer is cause elimination. Next, completed. Thank you.